Hello, and welcome to today's video. Imagine creating stunning designs, editing videos automatically, and finding verified information in seconds, all without spending a single dollar. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful free AI tools in 2025 that can completely change the way you work, study, and create content. Let's get started. Tool number 1, Google Gemini Free. First up is Google Gemini Free, Google's smart chatbot that's fast, reliable, and available worldwide. With Gemini, you can have natural conversations, summarize articles in seconds, and translate between more than 35 languages. Let's do a quick test. I'll ask Gemini to explain quantum computing in simple words. In less than 5 seconds, I get a clear, easy-to-understand answer, all completely free for personal use. Tool number 2, Perplexity AI. Second on the list is Perplexity AI. Think of it as Google search on steroids. Instead of dumping thousands of links, it gives you verified answers, complete with real-time sources. This is perfect for research projects and avoiding fake information. For example, I'll search best countries to start a tech company in 2025. Perplexity instantly lists countries with trusted sources you can check in one click. Tool number 3, Canva Magic Studio. Next, we have Canva Magic Studio, my go-to platform for creating anything with AI assistance. On the free plan, you'll get Magic Design, AI background remover, and Magic Write for generating text right inside Canva. Watch this. I'll upload an image, choose Magic Design, and it instantly generates ready-to-publish templates. It's beginner-friendly, with beautiful designs that save countless hours. Tool number 4, CapCut AI Editing. Tool number 4 is CapCut AI Editing, a fully free video editor from the creators of TikTok. Highlights include automatic captions in multiple languages, background noise removal, and AI templates for Reels, Shorts, and YouTube videos. For instance, I can import a short clip, apply auto captions, and the captions appear instantly, perfectly synced. And finally, number 5, ElevenLabs Free Plan. This AI voice generator is so realistic that many creators use it instead of hiring voice actors. Just type your script, choose a voice, and ElevenLabs delivers studio-quality audio in seconds, in almost any language. It's perfect for YouTube creators who don't want to record their own voice but still want a professional sound. And yes, the free plan is enough for beginners. And that's my list of the top 5 free AI tools in 2025. No subscriptions, no hidden charges. Which one will you try first? Leave a comment with your favorite tool, and I might make a full tutorial on it. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more weekly AI tips, and share it with a friend who loves free tools. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.